Okay, let's continue our lesson, Okay, I want to share about this one. Okay, wait a minute, baby, Yeah. Okay, 12 months make a year. Yeah. Okay. Beside month, we also talk about seasons. Yeah. In our country only, there are two seasons that they are rainy season and dry season. Yeah. But then in Western, in Europe, for example, in America, they have four seasons. The first one is spring. Yeah. Spring, or in Bahasa is musim semi. Okay. Yeah. Spring comes from March to May. Yeah. March, April, and May. The short form of these 3 months is, the first is March. Short form is Mar. Consists of 31 days, yeah. And April, short formnya April, A-P-R, full stop. And April has 30 days. And May, the short form, May only consists of 3 letters, so the short form is same as the real name, May. And May has 31 days. Okay, next. What do you do in spring? Yeah, can you guess what can we do in spring? Yeah, let's see. What is this? Yeah, good job. Plant a tree. Yeah, we can plant a tree, in springtime. Next. Summer. Yeah, summer. Summer in Bahasa is musim panas. Summer. Summer comes from June to August. June, July, August. The short form of June is JUN full stop. And June has 30 days, yeah. July, the short form of July is JUL full stop and consists of 31 days. Next, August. August, the short form is AUG full stop. August has 31 days, yeah. Next, what can we do in summer? Wow. We can go swimming, or we can go on holiday, go on vacation. Yeah. Next, what is this? Can you guess what season is this? Autumn or fall? Yeah, musim gugur. Ya, dalam bahasa Indonesia musim gugur. Musim gugur itu comes from September to November. September, October, November. September, short form of September is SET, full stop. And then October, OCT, November, NOV, full stop. September consists of 30 days, yeah. And then October has 31 days, November has 30 days. Okay, next. What can we do in fall or autumn? Kita bisa ngapain aja ya di musim gugur? Yeah. Can you guess? What are they doing? Yeah. They go swimming. Sorry, they go fishing. Selain itu, next. This one. The last season is winter. Winter, you can see many snows here, yeah. There are so much snows here. And then, winter comes from December to February. December has 31 days. January also has 31 days. February can have 28 days or 29 days. 29 days comes every years. Jadi setiap 4 tahun sekali baru terdiri dari 29 hari. Ya. February has 29 days in a leap year atau tahun kehabisan. Every 4 years. Setiap 4 tahun sekali. Once. Yeah, number of days in a year is 365 days, but in a leap year consists of 366 days. Yeah. What do you do in winter? Yeah. In winter, we can play in snow. Ya, kita di musim dingin bisa play in snow. But it's so cold. Tapi kan you wear jacket and then you wear clothes. Yeah. Okay, that's all about season and month. Okay, any questions, guys? If there's no question, you can take a look at your book. Bisa dibuka buku kalian, page 103, halaman 103. Di halaman 103, ya. Let's talk about weather. In this chapter, we don't only talk about months. We also talk about weather, season, and then days. Yeah. In page 103, di halaman 103, there, part A, listen and match. It's about weather. Number 1, what is that? Number one is windy. Ya, di situ gambarnya windy. Berangin, windy. Number two, what is that? Number two is cloudy. Yeah, number 2 is cloudy. Number 3, snowman. Snowman, it means snow, yeah. How about number 4? Number 4 is rainy, yeah. Number 5, what is number 5? Number 5, there are 9, yeah. How many weather here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ada 9, benar. Nomor 5, okay, we can skip number 5 ya. Number 6. Number 6 is hot. Yeah, number 6 is hot. How about number 7? Number 7? Number 7 is lightning. Yeah. Number 7 is lightning atau kilat. Number 8 is thunder. Good job. Number 8 is thunder. And number 9 is dark, yaitu malam, dark, gelap. And then, so number 5 is cold, yeah. Number 5 is cold. Okay. Okay deh. Next, part B. Listen and repeat, ya. There are 7 days in a week, so ada 7 hari ya dalam satu minggu. The first one is Sunday, minggu. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yeah. Okay. You usually go to school on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday ya. Kita biasanya sekolah tuh di hari Senin, Rabu, sama Jumat. Oke, pintar semuanya. And 12 months in a year. Kita tadi juga sudah belajar, ada 12 bulan dalam satu tahun ya. But from January to December. Ya. Yeah. Okay, that's all. Any question, Dek? Is there any question? If there's no question, next ya. Next exercise. Let's do another exercise. Yeah. Okay. This is about mom. Okay. Or maybe you can go on to next page ya on your book. Page 104. Halaman 104. Practice in a pair. Yeah. There you can see there are two dialogues ya. Di situ ada dua dialog tuh. The first dialogue is between Ari and Eko. Ari and Eko. And the second one is between Andi and Bayu. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Number one. Dialogue one. Ari ya. Ari says, "What day is it today?" Eko answer, "It is Monday. What's wrong?" "I don't like Monday." "What day do you like?" "I like Saturday and Sunday. I can go fishing, relax, and do any other interesting hobbies. Remember, next week we are going to have school final tests. You must spend your time for studying." "Oh, I do." Yeah, so in the first dialogue, Ari and Eko is talking about days ya. Mereka membicarakan tentang nama-nama hari. Bukan nama-nama hari sih, lebih ke nanya ke hari, terus apa sukanya hari apa. Nah, Eko Ari doesn't like Monday ya. And that day is Monday. Because, so Ari, what day Ari like most? Yeah, Ari like Saturday and Sunday because he can go fishing and then relax and do another interesting hobby. So in days, in a week, there are 7 days, right? Yeah. Start from Monday to Friday, we call them as weekdays. And Saturday and Sunday, we call them as weekend. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau Senin sampai Jumat itu disebutnya weekdays. Nah, kalau Sabtu sama Minggu disebutnya weekend. Gitu ya. Okay, got it? Ya, is there any question, Dek? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Sudah? Nggak ada pertanyaan tentang itu tadi? Tentang kita materi kita hari ini? Ya, jadi di rumah tugasnya kalian adalah menghafalkan nama-nama bulan, nama-nama hari itu tadi. Ada season ya, four seasons. 4 seasons, and in our country only 2 seasons ya, cuma ada 2 musim. Nah, terus apalagi yang harus kalian hafalkan di rumah? Di rumah yaitu tadi nama-nama hari, January to December, and then days, start from Sunday to Saturday. Weather juga ya. Berangin apa tuh? How to say berangin? Windy. Kalau mendung, cloudy gitu. Sunny itu cerah. Gitu. Ya. Nah, terus ada thunder. Thunder itu petir ya. Thunder. Kalau lightning itu berarti kilat ya. Yang sebelum ada petir, sebelum petirnya bunyi itu kan biasanya blap-blap kayak gitu kan, lightning itu kilat. Oke, kalau sudah tidak ada pertanyaan, kita cukupkan ya untuk hari ini. Kita berdoa dulu tapi sebelum itu ya. Okay, that's all for our lesson today. And setelah saya say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. But then before leaving, let's pray first ya. Pray begin. Pray finish. Okay, goodbye. See ya next meeting ya. Bye deh.